In today's video, I'll teach you how to change the color of Google Calendar events. So first of all, open the Google Calendar application on your device. You can see over here Google Calendar application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to change the color of events, it is actually very simple. Find the event where you want to change the color. After you do that, simply tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see that particular event details over here. So if you want to change the color, tap on the pencil icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to edit this event. What you have to do is scroll down. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for default color. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see various colors over here. Simply tap on the color that you would like to choose. Now tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the color of the event has been changed. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you change the color of Google Calendar events. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.